How to control iPhone with broken screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Siri. This section allows you to manage how you interact with Apple's intelligent assistant. Now, tap on Talk to Siri to change how you activate it. Here, make sure that the Siri or Hey Siri option is selected. Then, turn on the Press Side button for Siri option as well. After that, go back and enable the Allow Siri when locked feature. You may be required to enter your passcode here to proceed. You can now control your iPhone with voice commands. Following these steps, you can easily control an iPhone with a broken screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.